Hi, hello! Hi cuties! Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna cook. Wow, I never make cooking videos because I think it's kind of boring. But I got an air fryer. Or well, I bought an air fryer. There was a sale on MediaMart. I don't know how you say that in English, but MediaMart. And I ran, well, with my fingers on my phone to the online store. And I got an air fryer. Not only because it was on sale, because I've been wanting it for a while. And now it was on sale, so yes. I got a Philips XL. I don't know what else it's called, but it's a Philips air fryer. I just got it 2 days ago. I've used it 3 times, so I'm still pretty new at it. I don't really know exactly how to do some stuff, but that's okay. We're learning. I'm gonna today make salmon, potatoes, maybe a salad, and then some béarnaise sauce. I don't make it on myself. I just have it in the fridge. I don't know how to make. The thing is, I'm not a cook. I'm not good at cooking. I'm just you know what I mean? I'm not a chef. When I think of people who are good at cooking or good at baking, it's though you know exactly what I'm talking about. Not the ones who are do it sometimes and just because they want something sweet instead of going to buy it in the store. You know what I mean? Like the baking. That's me. I wouldn't say I enjoy making food. I do it because I need to. That's why I do it. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not like my hobby, I wouldn't say. There's so many banana flies in here, so if you see anything like that, don't mind it. First of all, I am going to cut up some potatoes and put it in the air fryer. These are raw potatoes. I show you some of the spices because I've seen people wanting me to do recipe, I showed my air fryer on Instagram. I know someone said that air fryer recipes, and the thing is, I don't really make food to get. I just you know what I mean? I make potatoes, fish, broccoli, and that's it. You know what I mean? It's not a whole pasta bolognese, for example. So, but I'm guessing you mean spices. It's really nothing special at all, but I can show you anyways, and I thought you could cook food with me today, or join me when I cook food. So it's a little vlog kind of thing, but food. Yeah. Also, I do count calories because I'm trying to lose weight, so I eat in a calorie deficit. So I don't know, could add that. Again, I'm new to this thing, so I'm not exactly sure how long but I tried the other day. I tried salmon in the air fryer. I did it for 10 minutes, 200 degrees I think it was Celsius, and it's the best fucking salmon. I'm so glad, I'm so satisfied I bought it because it's so good. I'm so happy. So I do have some potatoes left here. So I'm going to weigh those and then put it in my app that I use, which is Lifesum. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Air Fryer Philips. Wish I was, but I'm not. I'm just really happy I got it. I have this, which sucks. I need a new one. I have a little plate. Yep, don't ask. And then I just weigh it. Raw potatoes. It's difference between raw and cooked. When you weigh it, if you measure your food. Okay, I want all of those potatoes. 199 calories. Of course, if you want more of these videos, let me know if you think this was fun. Or, when you finish watching this video. I'm having so much fucking tics lately, and it's driving me fucking nuts. But how are you guys? I am actually posting this today, the day that I'm filming it. Wow. I know. So it's actually Friday the 15th today. Proof, in case you don't believe me. When we're done cutting up those potatoes, I'm gonna put it in a bowl and put some oil. Even though you don't need any oil in the air fryer, I still like to. And also, people are scared of oil. Don't be scared of oil. Some oil is healthy. Olive oil is still healthy to have some oil in your food. So I like to add some oil and then the spices. And I add 4 garlics. If I even have any. What the fuck is the rest of the garlic? That's it? I only have 2? 2? I promise I bought so much garlic. Whatever, 2 it is. I have this bowl. Oopsies. I put the little garlics in there. Just full garlics. But I wish I had more. I'm so annoyed, but whatever. I then use Spanish extra virgin olive oil. This is for you, Cloud. Since you're Spanish and a virgin. You just get a little bit in here. I then use something called grill spice, grillkrydda. Swedes, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Grillkrydda on everything. Well, potatoes, definitely potatoes. Some sea salt. It's just easier to do it this way than just doing it in the air fryer, and then not everything gets covered with the spices, I almost walked into this. Paprika spice. I don't understand why you guys say pepper, like red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper. It's called paprika. Swedish paprika. Paprika. Why do you say pepper? It's so weird. I mean, I do too, because that's what I've been taught, but you know what I mean. I think this should be enough. Enough? What the fuck was that? My favorite spice for fish is lemon pepper. This is what it looks like. Can you see? Looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. So this is what it looks like, by the way. There it is, and there's me. Hello, bitch. So first of all, there we go. As you can see, there's potatoes right there. And this is 38. I don't remember what I did. I did try this yesterday and it wasn't that long, but I don't remember. But we could try something like that. Fuck, I don't remember. I know it says already what, but 38 minutes? No, that's not what I did. You move it around a little bit. There we go. And then I like to check it. So I'm gonna put it at 20 minutes, but I will check it here and there. And then you just click start and it's going. Can you hear? Nice. Bitches, I have some bad news. This is gonna be a boring salad. Well, for me it's not, because I like salad actually, no matter what I put in it. If it's like 2 ingredients, 3 ingredients, but I don't have any cucumber, I don't have any red paprika, okay. I don't have any, what else do I put in here, usually? I don't know, but I do have some Romanian lettuce, I have some mixed lettuce here from my rabbits. It's her lettuce, but I have even more in there. I have some tomatoes, red and yellow ones, and then I have some watermelon, which I like to put in my salad. And then that's like, I don't have anything else now. Usually I put like red pepper and cucumber and stuff. Oh, and avocado. I forgot I had avocado. This is just mixed lettuce. 16 grams. Sometimes I put red onion in here, but I have watermelon. I don't like to mix stuff with watermelon. Try watermelon and blueberries in salad. It's so good. Everything's already washed, by the way. I washed all of these tomatoes when I got them. I like to use a lot of tomatoes. I love tomato. I don't understand. I see this on TikTok, like, you know, sing if you like the food or whatever. Picky edition. And there's always tomatoes. I just spat. But whatever, it's my own food. My dad isn't even home, so... But it's always tomatoes on that list, and I don't understand. I love tomatoes. I could eat, like, just sit and eat tomatoes just like that. I don't understand. What's your problem? Do you like tomato? Can you guys, this is your question for the day, okay? Do you like tomatoes? If you don't, I will be mad. If you don't like tomatoes, why? Like, well, I get it. I get people, everyone has their own preference in foods. But what is it that makes you not like tomatoes? What is it? Is it the taste? That's literally the best. Okay, so I want a lot of tomatoes, as I said, so I'm gonna add a lot of tomatoes. Okay, maybe one more only. By the way, this is my lunch. Scan it. By the way, tip, Livesum is great. The app, not the app. Livesum. 120 grams of tomatoes. Watermelon. Watermelon sugar. Hi. Also, my dad actually bought this for me the other day. It's a watermelon with yellow meat. Isn't that cool? Maybe it's not. Checking the potatoes. Looks good. I recommend an air fryer. It's the best fucking thing. I just cut my watermelon like this. I don't care if there's any seeds, actually. I don't know if that's psychopathic, whatever. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Watermelon. Sugar high. 2.55. Okay. Here we have my salad. I think I want to add... Oh, shit. Forgot about the avocado. Avocado! Thanks! If they're right. Yeah. No? Yes. Yes. You remember my iconic avocado toast. Also, another thing. If you're the only one who's gonna eat it, why do you, like, stick the knife in and then you take out the seed? Like, why don't you just shove it in your mouth and spit it out? Maybe you're the iconic one? Just do this in cubes, and I noticed this one was like just ripe. It's a little bit, you know. No, I think it works great. Yeah, it was just like ripe. It just turned ripe. Right. Can you see? Looks good. No, I don't put any oil or anything in here because, I mean, I don't really need it. You know, some people need like dressing and stuff. I can just eat it like that. I think it's good. What's your favorite salad? You could tell me what's your favorite salad, because mine is with watermelon and blueberries. I also like taco salad, and like it's tacos, all the ingredients for tacos, but no bread, like, and you make it into a salad instead. Oh, I could maybe do that next time I make a video like this. Let me know. Like, again, I also eat a lot of the same stuff, so there wouldn't be that much to make, like, that I usually make. You know what I mean? Like, to film, because I always make the same, because I have autism. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now. Maybe a little bit more. It continues by itself. Then, salmon. Here we have my salmon. Sometimes I eat 2, sometimes I just eat 1. Oh no. Today it's only 1. I'm gonna put it in the same bowl as this one that I put on my potatoes. Why not? It doesn't matter. Like, it's pretty much the same spices kinda, and it's, you know, nice. Of course, a little bit of olive oil in here. I wanted to film this with my other camera, but like, you can't see in here. Sea salt. Paprika, again. Maybe this is weird, I just don't put on salmon. I don't care, it's my food. Black pepper, and then my favorite, lemon pepper. Ew, looks like a tongue. This is hilarious. There we have it, can you see? Then of course I wait till the potatoes are finished, and then I put this in there. So I got this with my air fryer, but it does stick to the thingy, the salmon. So I am gonna try and just cook it, fry it, air fry it without this, because when I did it, my salmon got stuck to it and it was annoying to get off. So I'm just gonna try that. We'll see how it goes. But I definitely recommend getting an air fryer because it's the best fucking purchase ever. I promise it's not sponsored. I promise. I mean, I have to say if it is sponsored, if it was, because YouTube rules and guidelines. But it's not sponsored, but like, I recommend getting an air fryer because it's the best fucking thing ever. It was the best salmon I had ever, like the other day when I tried it out. We clean up. What spices do you like to have on your salmon? Is it similar to mine? No? And then, of course, there are some grill spice also in this because I put this in the same one as I put the potatoes. But whatever, it's fine. Where's my béarnaise? I have this béarnaise, which is vegan. It looks weird. The thing is, with the vegan one, it has like different consistency. Or I use this one. It's in my local store. My potatoes are done. Look at this goodness. Yes. Woo! Potatoes is something I cannot live without. All right. That one is so cute. I'm gonna put this in for 200 degrees and then 10 minutes, and I'm gonna check because that's what I did yesterday. So it should be the same today, but I used this one. But I'm not gonna do this time. Let's see how it goes. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Hello. My food is done. Here it is. So, to remind you, not that I think you forgot or anything, I guess this is just what people do. Potatoes in the air fryer. All of this in the air fryer, except for the salad, obviously. We got salad, which is watermelon, avocado, like mixed salad, which is spinach and like other type of salads. We have Romanian lettuce. We have tomatoes, and that's it, because I didn't have much else. Usually I have more. And then my salmon and my béarnaise. That's it. I'm really pleased. So, I already know what this tastes like. The salmon, I think I had into a little bit too... I don't know. I tried this yesterday, but... Run to your electronic store and get an air fryer. I'm gonna try and bake in this too. Oh my god, should I make a video on that when I try and bake? Oh my god, it's gonna be so exciting. But it turned out great, my salmon. So I always drink water, but I was at the dollar store and I also saw a YouTuber, a Swedish YouTuber, who talked about this brand called Pandy. It's Swedish, I think. I don't know. Even though it says in English, everything's always in English in Sweden. Almost. You know what the difference is? When I make salmon on like on the oven, you know what I mean, compared to the air fryer. In the air fryer, the salmon gets like so like soft. You know what I mean? Like on the inside, it's like so, you know, like. Anyways, I usually drink water, but I found this at the dollar store and now I'm obsessed. It is 0 sugar, 0 calories, 100% vegan, 100 milligrams caffeine, raspberry flavor. I don't get offended. Affected by caffeine actually at all. I don't feel any difference when I drink caffeine or when I don't. Never. Also another thing, I also don't get as drunk easily as other people. And I think it is because of the brain, like people with autism or ADHD or any other, like, I forget what it's called, neurodivergent brain, I think it is. Neurotypical is like normal people, right? You know what I mean? I think it's pretty common, at least with caffeine. I don't know about the alcohol, but yeah, I don't know, I found that interesting. And before I go, I don't want any unsolicited advice about my food, what I should eat, what I shouldn't eat, if I should cut out the fucking béarnaise sauce. I want to eat it, and if I want to include it into my calorie count, that's on me. That's what I want to do, and I love my béarnaise. So, kindly fuck off if you were in the comments right now typing what I should do or not do. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. If I want to add that sauce, I do it. If I want to drink this, I fucking do it. I know what I'm doing. Fuck off. Also, I need a new scale. I might vlog tomorrow. Do you want me to vlog tomorrow, which is Saturday? Because I'm gonna go and get a new scale. Interesting. We're gonna paint the walls and possibly maybe put the new floor. I actually haven't showed you that. Okay, I will do that tomorrow if you want me to vlog. If not, then whatever. But I'm gonna show you the flooring we bought. And we actually wanted the same flooring as we have in the kitchen and in my dad's room, but my dad bought the wrong one. It's fine, whatever. But I actually want this floor in my room too. And I was like, whatever, we don't need to change the floors in here. But like, I saw it and I was like, it's pretty, I want it. So, yeah. I might put it in here too. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. If you want me to do more cook videos with me, random ones like this, or if you want me to try any recipes, like last time I did this was like some months ago now, I think, and I tried a tomato soup, which was also so good. I haven't done it since, oh my god, but it was really, really fucking good. Check that one out and try that tomato soup because it was really good. I would link it up here or down there in the comments or in the description. Just look. If you want to follow my ASMR channel, it's Mish ASMR. My Instagram, Lil Daceyard, everything's linked down below. Don't forget to tell me what you want to see me do in the cooking videos. And if I should vlog tomorrow. And if you have any questions for tomorrow's vlog, which I usually answer, write them down here if you want to. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Love you, bye.